Mandarin? Raise your hand. I don't know a lot of words in Mandarin, but if you were to say to me, Ni hao ma, I would say hen hao. Hen hao. So tell me if this sounds like Mandarin. Ha holo holo haiba. Ha holo holo haiba. That is Sesotho. That's not Mandarin. Ha holo holo haiba is a conjunctive. Let's read it together. Ha holo holo haiba. Ha holo holo haiba. Let's say it together. Ha holo holo ha holo holo haiba. Ha holo holo haiba. It means especially if. At this point in our examination of the Sesotho language, I would like you to help me sometimes. Today, I would like you to help me begin our sentence here with first person singular. What should I